Let's whip up a healthy and delicious dinner. Mash and creamy chicken with farm fresh vegetables. First, let's prep our potatoes. Peel them to perfection. Rinse, slice, soak. It's a potato spa treatment. Now, into the pot they go. Season with some salt to taste and a whole lot of love. Once tender, it's mashing time. Add a splash of Brookside Farm Fresh cream and a sprinkle of coriander for that final touch. Creamy, dreamy mash? Check. Next up, our Farm Fresh veggies. Ready to cook, which makes everything easy. Sauté, season, serve. It's that simple, honey. And voila, dinner is served. Let's enjoy! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow for more delicious ideas. See you soon. Goodbye.